This is the Omoda C9 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. We have had a C9 on the channel before, but that was just a quick owner's review. This is a quick first look at the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. There are only 3 in South Africa, so I'm one of the first to drive this car. As you can see, it looks pretty much the same as the normal C9, but with the plug-in hybrid, you are able to get two-tone, so black and this white. We don't even know what the white color is called because we don't have a spec sheet yet. Rims are still the same. You still get the red-black caliper. You get the stunning overall design of the car because it's two-tone at the top, black up top, black at the top, but at the bottom, you also get the black here. We were on a long drive, so that's why all of these stickers over here, it says "Seal for the drive." We have not opened this or refueled, and you'll see how many kilometers we've driven. I was on Team South Africa, as you can see there. Moving along the car, you have flash door handles, so when the car is locked and it's moving, the door handles flash in. You also have keyless entry. That's why the car keeps on flashing and opening and closing as I walk past. Coming around the back, in the plug-in hybrid, the C9 has a blue accent, and you get 340E written here instead of 400T, because this car has 3 electric motors, 1 at the front, 2 at the back, and together they give you 340 kilowatts of power, and then the 1.5 liter petrol engine gives you an additional 100 to make the total system output 440 kilowatts and 950 newton meters of torque. Now that is some power. Let me show you how that looks on the road. There are some things to consider, like the fact that the battery was only at 20% of power. I don't know if that affects how much power the car gives you, but it was in sports mode. This is not a sports car, but 5.5 seconds 0 to 100 is pretty impressive. We don't have any weight figures or any other specifications like that confirmed because they haven't been given out. The only specifications that have been given out is the power figures and the range, which I've shared with you. But yeah, color me impressed. Of torque, that's why there's an E here. You get a full light bar because in 2025, which car doesn't have a full light bar at the back? And it's LED. The Omoda is written outside of the bar, but from the car that it comes from, the Exceed RX, it's inside. But anyway, who cares? You have 4 fake exhaust pipes. I'm gonna use my hand of truth. 4 fake exhaust pipes, but for me, I think that they complete the look. That's just a personal opinion. And also, once you drive the car or own it, you don't even think about this, but it makes the car look a bit more aggressive. Some people would have preferred if this was just, this wasn't there, but hey, that's just personal opinion. Then you have the reflectors here at the back. Whoa. Before we continue with this video, and whilst you're enjoying this b-roll, I saw 90% of you guys watching are not subscribed. It's free. It's free. You just have to press that subscribe button and you'll be subscribed to my channel, and press the notification bell and you'll get the notifications. It really helps me grow and it will help me get more cars on this channel to review for you guys. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Okay. If subscribe now, should I give you more time? As you on your door mirror, you have an integrated indicator, you have a light for the welcome light, and you have a camera for the 360 view camera. As I said, you've got keyless entry. You press here, handles flush. What do you guys think of this vehicle? I think it looks absolutely stunning. Of course I do, that's why I bought one. I think it's absolutely stunning, but it's really stunning in this two-tone color. Let's get inside. This car that we're driving today has the optional light brown and dark brown leather. So on the door, soft touch at the top, leather here, that's light brown. You have the seat controls here. They look very Mercedes-y, but at the same time, BMW also now has their seat controls up here. You have seat memory as well. And the door handle opens like this, just like in the normal C9. You also have a button to be able to open the door. You have a speaker in the door, and then you have the plastic touch down here, but all the other touch points are very soft touch. Then getting inside the car, the seats just like in the normal C9, but they're very comfortable
The supportive on the side, very soft. This is Napa leather. This brown option, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm just doing an interior look for the brown option. Then you have suede material up here, full panoramic sunroof to the back. Another big difference is in the ICE version, you don't have EV or HEV here. You just have mode. This rotary button, it still changes your modes as well, just like in the normal C9. Then, if you want to know how many speakers there are, head over to the other review. And you get into the back. Another difference, again, like I said, we do not have the spec sheet yet, but from what I've seen here, you have heated and cooled seats here. In the ICE version, for the top spec, you only get heated seats. So look, there you are. Seat heating is on. I changed to this. Now it's cold. Then there, you see? Can you hear that? Ventilation in the seats at the back. Well done, Omoda. That is the one major difference between the ICE and this in the back. Otherwise, you still get the ample leg room, you still get the lights here, you still get the panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back, you still get your armrest. Let me know what you think of the brown interior. For me personally, I can't do the brown interior because I have a child. She would just insanely mess this up. But yeah, what I enjoyed the most was the comfort in the car. It feels like a beefed up version of the C9 that I do own. I love the instant throttle response. I love that even when you are on hybrid electric and you're in eco mode and you need the power, the car will give it to you. The response is instant. This car is very, very, very quiet. I mean, it's an electric vehicle after all. It's very quiet. It takes the quietness up a notch from the C9 that I had. Of course, the range is great, and we didn't even really have to drive super slow to get the good range. On the first day, we drove around with between 70 kilometers per hour all the way up to 95 kilometers per hour, because we didn't really do a lot of highway mileage. When we got onto the highway, then we kept the speed at 110 kilometers per hour. So we tried to keep it as real world as possible, but and you would be able to achieve the 1,200 kilometers. But I don't think that should be your expectation when you're going to buy the car. That's the extreme limit of it. The WLTP officially is 1,100, but we've shown that you can do 1,200. But I think on a daily basis, if you're going to drive this car every day and then you're going to go on a long journey with it as well, I think you'll probably get the WLTP. Things that I didn't like about this car: the braking. When you're braking, as it's about to stop, it does this thing of like grabbing the brake and just having like this almost abrupt stop. We've gotten used to it because we're doing the car for like 3 days, but that is something that I didn't like. We don't know the price of this vehicle yet, but I guess it will probably be either R1 million or just over R1 million. So jumping from the ICE to here, looking at the efficiency that this has, I think it's a very good option. It's taken the C9 and made it even better. It's really solved the issues that I had with my car. In the original video, I was talking about throttle response. This is very responsive. Babies, if you're this fun, this vlog, and that subscribe button is great. Bro, what the hell are you even doing? Subscribe, help me grow. The more subscribers that are there, the more cars we can get, the more brands we can reach, and the more reviews. And this was just a quick walk around and summary video of the drive and the car as well. Not really the drive. You'll get to see the drive and the full vlog of everything on Friday when I post the Cape to Ado vlog. Please do subscribe, and thank you so much to everybody who's already subscribed to the channel, who's already keeping it soft with me. I really do appreciate it. Please share as well, because that will help us to grow. The reason this channel is called Keep It Soft Reviews, because I really love the soft life. I work my butt off to live the soft life, so everything I do, I keep it soft. And that's why when you subscribe to my channel, you too can keep it soft.